Hello everybody. Today we're going to see the unboxing of Finecare IL-6 Rapid Quantitative Test to be used in the FIA meters. Finecare FIA Meters. You can see that. Finecare. This is a 25 test kit pack. You can see it's IL-6 Rapid Quantitative Test. You can see the reference part numbers, lot number, and also the manufacturing and the expiry period and the storage conditions. You can see on a standard contents 25 individual sealed pouches of the cartridge, one ID chip, one leaf left with instruction, 25 paper tips, and 25 reduction buffers. This is a CE certified product. You can just go around. Okay, this is what the box looks like. I'm going to unbox this for you. You can see this here. Reference part number is here. Okay, I'll unbox this for you. Okay, there we go. Inside the box, you get one IFU brochure. You can see this here. It says Finecare IL-6 Rapid Quantitative Test along with Finecare FIA Meters. It's a fluorescence immunoassay for quantitative determination of IL-6 concentration in human venous whole blood, serum or plasma specimen. It is mainly used to monitor the immune status and inflammatory response of the body. Yeah, that's right. If this is the IFE brochure, you can see this are the complete principles and how to prepare your test procedures, conduct your test. So you have the complete details. You can see this here, interpretation of your results. You have the complete details how to conduct the test. So you have the complete details here actually. Yeah. This skin is here. Further, if you go inside, you can see there is one ID chip. I'll put it here. You can see IL-6. It says Finecare ID chip. You can see this here. The other side. You can see that it has both the product code and also the lot number. There's one ID chip, and then further there is 25 pipette tips. You can see there's a 25 pipette tips. There it is. You can see the pipette tips. You can see 25 pipette tips, and further if you go inside, there is a 25 individually packed buffers. I'll just keep it here. You can see individually packed. You can see the reference number. It says Finecare IL-6 Rapid Quantitative Test Reduction Buffer. You can see the reference part number for that, and also the lot number, and also the expiry period. This is how the individual bottles looks like. Individual. This, you can see there's a 25. It's close to 25 numbers. 25 packs. And there's a 25 cartridges individually sealed in pouch. I just put it two for you. Just keep this here. You can see it says Finecare IL-6 Rapid Quantitative Test. You can see the reference part number, lot number, and also the manufacturing expiry period. You can see the other side of the pouch has the manufacturing company details. This is from, you can see it's from Wondfo Finecare. You can see this here. I will close this now. Okay. Quickly to summarize, let me put it here. Okay. Quickly to summarize, today we have seen the unboxing of Wondfo Finecare IL-6 Rapid Quantitative Test. This is a 25 test kit pack, and in a 25 test kit pack, you get one IFE brochure and one ID chip and 25 reduction buffers and 25 pipette tips and 25 test cartridges. This is how the total test kits looks like. You can see this here. You can see this here. Yeah. Thank you.